All right. Hey guys, lesson 2. We're continuing to work on thousandths as a place value unit and how to represent it and model it and break it down. So I'm going to open the presentation here. There we go. All right. And we're going to look at various representations of tenths and hundredths, starting with that. Let's get to the right spot. All right. Here's the fluency that we've been doing in class. Hopefully you recognize some of that. Oh, I think that's our lunch. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we're just looking at these 4 different representations. We see here these are all 10,000 tenths discs showing 1/10. And then here we have 240 hundredths. And then here we have 2, and looks like there's 10 lines there. Yeah, 4/10. And here we have 2 and 40 hundredths. So I just want you to look at it for about a minute and determine how the representations are alike and different. Okay, how are they alike and different? And in your Learn book on lesson 2, where you see the magnifying glass, opposite it you have a blank page. So on that blank page, could you write down something that you notice about how they are alike and different? And remember, we're using our math thinking here, so let's try to go a little deeper than some are purple and some are lines. Okay, let's try to look at the mathematical thinking. Okay, I'm going to give you a few seconds to think about that and write it down. Please make sure you're writing something down on that blank page, facing lesson 2 magnifying glass. All right, I will be interested to see what you wrote later on, but for now, some things you might have noticed, and please notice with me now, that they are all have the same value of 2 and 4/10. The place value discs show 24 tenths. Did you notice there was 24? Do you see how they are in 5 groups here? So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 24 tenths. On the place value chart, we could rename the 200 hundredths as 2 ones, right? So we could rename this one as 2 ones and 4 40 tenths. 40 hundredths could become 4 tenths. Yeah, 40 hundredths becomes 4 tenths. Okay, and on the number line we can see 2 and 4 tenths, and on our number down here we know that we could divide 40 and 100 both by 10, which would leave us with 4 tenths. You got it. All right, awesome. So today We are talking about how we can represent decimal numbers in many ways. Sometimes we can rename units. Today, we'll represent thousands as a place value unit in various ways and rename thousands when we can. So that's your lesson goal for your mastery today, is to rename thousands when you can and to represent decimals in different ways. All right, good luck.